Hello viewers, this is TheRevDev, and this is going to be a very short tutorial. That's why it's 4.5, which we've been doing comments. That is very simple. So all we're doing, workspace, creating your script, and basically what our comment is like a line of code that the script will not read or reach to. So how am I going to explain it? So to make a comment, all you got to do is type subtract. So two minuses. And everything after that is a comment, as you can see here. It's in this black text, but obviously if you don't use a dark mode, it'll be green. So, text here. And anything you write here, obviously if you run, nothing will happen. See, look, nothing in the script will run. But obviously if I was to write, if I wasn't to do a comment, it'll obviously give me an error. So that prevents errors in your script. So obviously I can be, like have a variable, like, like a variable is, blah blah blah, like, okay, ignore that. So I could be writing a bit of a script, it's like hello and stuff like that, and I can obviously add a comment like here is the printing, and I can do here is the variable, like that. That's pretty cool, which obviously this will be created without any errors in the script, and obviously you can add comments like here for like variables, then like printing. Yeah, if you saw my previous videos, you might have seen me do comments, so that's okay. So that's probably the best way I can explain it. So okay guys, that is the end of the very short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.